turn off the ignition. Pull up the handbrake. To access the cabin filter, you must remove the glove box. Put yourself on the passenger side and open the glove box. With a flathead screwdriver, start unclipping the side casing of the dashboard, levering it off with a screwdriver. To completely remove it, disconnect the airbag connector. To do this, push on the plastic tab, which will free the connector from its holding stud. Unclip the casing cover on the outside of the glove box, levering it off with a flathead screwdriver. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 20mm Torx socket, remove the 6 holding screws on the glove box. Using a thin flathead screwdriver, remove the connector board holding the glove box lighting, then disconnect the electrical power, putting pressure on the locking tab. Remove the glove box by pulling on it delicately. Remove the lower dashboard casing. To do this, you must pull on it towards you to free it from the clips that hold it in place. You can now access the cabin filter compartment. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 20mm Torx socket, remove the 2 holding screws on the flange and remove it. Remove the cabin filter. Don't worry if you fold it while doing this. There are 2 types of cabin filter. The black ones are called activated charcoal filters. A new generation of filter has appeared on the market. In addition to pollen and smells, this technology allows the filtration of very fine particles, often the cause of allergies. Even if they're a little bit more expensive, they're probably the best option. Pay close attention to the direction of the filter. Position the airflow arrows in the direction of the passenger side. Don't hesitate to fold the filter to insert it more easily. Put the cabin filter flange back on, fixing it in place with the 2 screws. Clip the lower casing of the dashboard in place. Put the glove box back in, sliding it into its housing. Finish by screwing all the holding screws with a 20mm Torx screwdriver. Reconnect the light of the glove box. And clip the connector board into its compartment. Reconnect the contact of the passenger airbag, then put the flange back in, clipping it into place. Clip the casing of the glove box back in place. Operation completed.